Have you ever wanted to move your Google Photos onto a USB flash drive but weren't sure where to start? Having your photos on a physical drive is actually really useful. It makes it easy to show your pictures on a TV, give a copy to a family member, or just save some space in your Google account so you don't have to pay for extra storage. In today's video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to transfer your photos from Google Photos straight to your USB flash drive. I'm currently in the Google Photos web application, and the first step is to download the photos onto your PC or laptop. You can easily do this by selecting specific photos or even an entire day. For example, if I want to transfer all the photos from yesterday onto my flash drive, I can just select them like this. Once you have everything you need, click on the three dots in the top right corner of your screen and select Download. Now we're going to wait a few seconds or a few minutes, depending on how many you chose, for the photos and videos to finish downloading to your computer. While we wait, I've already inserted my USB flash drive into the computer. So let's find it in the File Explorer. Once the download is finished, you'll see a zip file in your Downloads folder. Double-click on that zip file to extract the photos we just got from Google. Now, all that's left to do is right-click on the folder, select Copy, and then navigate over to your USB flash drive. Open up the drive, right-click again, and select Paste. In just a few moments, your Google Photos will be transferred directly onto the flash drive, and you're all set. If you need more Google Photos tips or other app tutorials, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave a like if this video helped you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.